Did you know your gut microbes are constantly communicating with your brain and your body? Your body is made up of trillions of cells that communicate through hormones, neurotransmitters, cytokines, and other signaling molecules. But here's what's fascinating. Your gut microbes have their own chemical language too. These microbes send signals and receive messages through receptors and can even influence gene expression and cell behavior. And one of the most remarkable communication pathways is the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is often called the superhighway between the gut and the brain. But what exactly is traveling along this highway? So it's actually electrical signals and sensory information triggered by what's happening in your gut. So that's why it's so important to feed your gut microbes healthy foods, because they help produce short-chain fatty acids from fermenting fiber that influence the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA that interact with immune signaling molecules and affect tryptophan metabolism, which is involved with serotonin production. So these signals can stimulate receptors in the gut that communicate with the brain through the vagus nerve and influence digestion, mood, stress response, and overall well-being. So how can we support the gut-brain connection? By nourishing the microbes that nourish us. So fiber-rich foods like lentils, whole grain organic oats, berries, fruits, vegetables that feed beneficial gut bacteria. And berries in particular are colorful plant foods that provide polyphenols and support microbial diversity. And fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut, kefir, kimchi can also introduce beneficial microbes. And interestingly, nutrients play a role in cellular communication too. For example, inositol, a vitamin-like compound found in cell membranes, acts as a secondary messenger involved in insulin signaling and other cellular communication pathways, and is one of the reasons why it's been studied in women with PCOS and why it caught my attention as an ingredient in the Peach Perfect multivitamin and why I've been taking it. So if you'd like a discount, check out the link in my description, the affiliate link in the description below. But remember, health isn't built by what you do occasionally, it's shaped by the small habits that you practice consistently over time. So every meal is an opportunity to support your gut, your brain, and the trillions of microbes working behind the scenes. So if you feed your microbes, support your cells, and nurture the gut-brain connection, we will all be rising.